Let's see, Alex. Sip it up in your lip. Show Jeremy. No, you gotta suck it up, Alex. Look, watch, Jeremy. Watch. Go. Do you like Mommy did?
Like this, Alex.
Look at Jeremy. Do it.
Like this, Mom.
And it seems. That's it, Alex. Sip it up in your lip. Here, watch this. Here, videotape me and I'll do it. Here, give me over here, I'll do it. Like this, Alex.
Brian's a student that I had in my resource class. Came from a very poor background. Brian just needed.
Oh, Jeremy, your hand's in front of the thing.
Paired him with
No way.
Let's see if Alex can do it now.
And then would take him to plays and different things that this child would never have been exposed to. This man taking him
Suck it up.
to come and have lunch with him meant more than anything.
Point a kid in the right direction. This is General Colin Powell of America's Promise. Call us and help us. America's Promise.
Here you do it, Jeremy. See, look at Jeremy just did it. You do it. You did it a minute ago. You don't want to do it? Alex, don't throw it on the floor. Don't throw it on the floor. No. No, no. Alex.
Murder alert, murder alert, murder alert. Mom?
You're being a stinker.
Mom.
Pay attention, Jeremy.